Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest and fastest way in which you can change your shipping prices on your Shopify store. Now you may be close to launching your Shopify store, however you just need to edit a few different things such as the shipping prices. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your shipping prices and basically charge what you want for shipping. So let's jump into it. Start with, you want to have Shopify opened and be on the dashboard like I am here. And you just want to go into the bottom left corner where you can find settings. So go ahead and click on that. And then once you've clicked on that, you'll be automatically put on store details. However, you just want to go down to shipping and delivery, which you can find here, and click on that. So here's where we can actually start charging what we want for our shipping rates. So as you can see, here's our normal general shipping rates, and underneath we can also add some custom shipping rates. Down here we can also change the expected delivery dates. We can select if there's local delivery or local pickup. And we can also do a few more things down here. However, since we want to change the shipping price, we want to go to the top where it says general shipping rates and just click on this box here where it says general. So I'm in my general profile now, and here's where we can actually start adding or changing our shipping prices. So to start with, you first want to choose which shipping zone is needed for you. So since I live in UK, if I was only doing UK shipping, I wouldn't have to edit any of these. I can literally just click add rate here. Here's where we can actually change the price of our shipping. So as you can see, by default, there's a standard rate here, which if you spend £50 and up, you get 2 to 4 business days shipping and it's completely free. So this is quite a good rate to have in your store since they have to spend £50 in order to get it free. We can click on these 3 dots to the side of it and then select edit rate. So if we decide we want to increase the speed of this delivery, we can click on here, and as you can see, express says 1 to 3 business days. So we can choose that if we think it will come in time sooner. However, if we don't want to edit that, we simply just want to edit the price. We can select price and we can basically change this to whatever we want. If we wanted it to be £10, we could do that by changing it here. And we can also change that minimum price per order on that I was talking about earlier. So if we wanted it to be based on item weight, we could change it to weight, and they have to order a certain amount of weight in order to get the free shipping, or in this case £10 shipping. Now you don't actually have to add this. You can click remove conditional pricing and you can just have a normal rate without the extra. However I'm just going to keep it like this and click done. And then if we want to add a brand new rate that's not on here yet, we can just click add rate and we'll be taken to the same page again. So maybe this time we want to have an express one, and this one can cost £20 and you have to spend £50, so we'll do that and then click done. And as you can see, that has now been added to our store. So what we can do is we can change these rates for international as well. So obviously international shipping is going to cost more than it is domestic, so you can basically price all these things how you like. It's going to completely depend on whatever store you got, what you're selling, so just price it to however you need. And then once you have successfully changed all your shipping prices inside of Shopify and you're happy with it, you just want to click save here, and after it's saved, as you can see, profile updated, and those shipping rates will now be added to our store. Depending on what shipping zone they're in, they will see the rates that you've just edited. So they will see all these things just down here. Or if you changed any others, they will see that and it'll be updated, and they can choose whatever option they want. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to change your shipping prices inside of Shopify. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.